Video I'm going to share with you an easy way to drive traffic to affiliate offers, and this can be something which almost every one of you can do easily, and it won't take a lot of time. Okay, so now let's get started into our video, as well as one of the best courses which teach you drop servicing business model is provided, first link in the description. So if you are interested in making money online doing drop servicing, then you can just go and get that course for yourself so that you can make some money online. And it is a genuine course which I have purchased, and I have learned a lot of things from it, and that's the reason why I am recommending that course, and which is there in the first link in the description. So guys, we are gonna utilize ClickBank for this. Okay, now let me show you how people are driving traffic to ClickBank offers in a really awesome strategy they are utilizing. Okay, this is one of the ClickBank offers which people are promoting utilizing this very awesome strategy. Okay, this is Sonu's diabetes secret. Okay, now let me show you how people are driving traffic to this offer absolutely for free, and that is quality search traffic which people are driving to this offer, and they are really getting good sales with it. Okay, so now you can see when I go to Google. Okay, so you can see I am on Google over here, and I just search for Sonu's diabetes secrets review. Okay, and you can see over here, don't go above for the other sites, but see over here, this is a free Google sites which you can create with Google. Okay, absolutely free. On Google you can create this type of website, and you can see this website is on the second page of Google, which is really awesome. You can see even people are driving running ads on the second page of Google, and still this website is ranking above them. Okay, so this is a free Google sites which they have created. Okay, and you can see they have really done a very good work in this terms. Okay, so that is one of the key factors which is really awesome, because you can also create a free website just like they have created over here reviewing this product, which is Sonu's diabetes secret offer remarkably hits on any health list. Okay, so just understand it. Okay, this is the one of the best offers. Okay, now you can also create a website on this offer, as well as I'm going to suggest you one more offer which has real even lower competition than this. Now this is another example. Okay, old school new body review. Okay, now there is also a Google site which has been ranking for this offer on page 2. Okay, that is also one of the best thing about this offer. Okay, let's go to second page of Google, and let me show you that it is really ranking. Okay, so we are on the second page of Google. Maybe it's here, it is, you can see. Now you can see this is a site which has been ranking on second page of Google, like the Sonu secret is ranking. This one is also ranking on the second page of Google, and the thing is that people are getting a lot of traffic with this very simple strategy, and that can be one of the best thing. And this is something which is really awesome, and to rank on a second page of Google is a very big thing. And the thing is that a lot of people get really high quality buyers from Google. Okay, and that can be one of the way of you earning affiliate commissions. Now it is really simple. They have written this very simple article, okay, about this product, and you can also write an article about that product. Just click on this and you will find all the information regarding this product, and then you can create an article regarding this product just by utilizing that information, or you can just read this article and get some inspiration for yourself and then write an article. Okay, the only thing is that your article should be long. Okay, the longer your article is, the more chances are there that your article will rank. Okay, so keep a target of creating an article which is almost 1000 to 2000 words long. That is the trick of this strategy. Okay, if your article is 1000 to 2000 words long, then you will be ranking on the second or first page of Google, very quickly, and this is something which works all over the world. Okay, and many of the people utilize just these strategies for clickbank offers, or you can apply the same strategy for Amazon affiliate offers if you are interested in promoting that. Okay, so you can just go to Google Sites. Okay, you just need a Google account to go to Google Sites, and all these templates are available of Google Sites. Now you can select any of the template, and then you can edit those templates according to you, create your own article. Okay, so you can see, you can write the project name over here, description, and then you can start writing your article. Okay, there are a lot of formats which are available in this. I'm not gonna show you the entire tutorial because a ton of people have made tutorial about how to create a website with Google. Okay, Google Sites, and that's the reason why you could start earning some good amount of money with this strategy. You can create a simple website with really simple all you need to do is just start writing over here, and that's it. And you can create a website. If you want to add images, you can add images, text, you can embed links and all this stuff. Okay, just provide your affiliate link. Don't forget that in the articles, because if you forget that, you are not gonna earn any commission. That is something which you need to keep in mind. Okay, don't forget. And in this way, you could be ranking in the same way as these websites are ranking. Okay, Sonu's complete review, and in this way you could be making some good money online easily using free Google Sites and getting Google search traffic on the affiliate offers which you are trying to promote. Okay, so definitely, if you got some value out of this video, if you are going to apply this strategy, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.